Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. Yesterday when I was making this video, gold was trading around 1805. I have already suggested that gold was in weak zone. Afterwards, gold tested 1807 and gave a crash till 1787. Yesterday, if you watched my video, I have given you a support of 1784. It made low around 1787 and now trying to reverse from our support. Today we have major data. Around 7 p.m. today we have unemployment rate, non-farm payroll change, and average hourly monthly earnings from US. So keep an eye on the data. I will be streaming live on my streaming channel that time, so you can come and join us. Streaming channel link in description. Now gold is trading 1792.93. Let's have a look at resistance and support for today. 1802. That is the resistance in gold price today. If gold break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 1810 and 1820. These levels are valid till unemployment rate and non-farm payroll numbers. These will be invalid after the data. I will be changing the levels after the data. So make sure you join for live streaming on streaming channel. Streaming channel link in description. Support at 1784. A very good support at 1784. If gold break and sustain below this support, then expect 1780 and 1770. Currently gold is trading in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to silver. This is silver chart. Yesterday it also crashed and made low around $22. In my live stream yesterday, I have given a support of $21.90. That support is still intact and market have respected that support till now. Let's have a look at resistance and support for silver. $21.90 is support again. If silver break and sustain below this support, then expect fresh weakness up to 21.70 and 21.50. Resistance at $22.40. If silver break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 22.60 and 22.90. Currently gold and silver both are trading in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil currently trading $80.05 after making high around $80.26. It is trading in weak zone. That is no doubt. If you are watching my videos carefully, then you must be knowing crude oil is trading in positive zone. So let's have a look at resistance and support for crude oil today. 78.90. That is the support in crude oil price. If crude oil break and sustain below the support, then expect $78 and $77. Resistance at $81.50. Above this resistance, expect $82.50 and $84. Currently, crude oil is trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Forex. First, we will see Euro. This is Euro. It made lows around 1285 and trying to recover now. It is still trading in weak zone. So let me give you the resistance and support for Euro now. Resistance is not so far away. 1310 is resistance. Above that it will turn positive and can test up to 1350. Support at 1270 now. Below this expect 1250 and 1220. Currently trend is flat. Either support or resistance will trigger the fresh trend. Let's move on to British pound. This is British pound currently trading 35.45. Yesterday it made lows around 34.90 and sweetly bounced back up to 35.60. Let's have a look at resistance and support for British pound. 35.10, that is the support for British pound today. If pound break and sustain below this support, then expect 34.90 and 34.50. Resistance at 35.90. Above this resistance, expect 36.30 and 36.70. Currently, British pound is trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Bitcoin. These are the levels from yesterday's video. These are invalid, of course, so I will just change them. $43,000 is resistance in Bitcoin today. $40,400 support. Currently, Bitcoin is trading in weak zone, so trade accordingly. I will update again in streaming if there is some major change in Bitcoin levels. Let's move on to Ethereum, shall we? Ethereum again, levels are invalid, so let's have a look at resistance and support. $33.70 will act as the resistance now. $30.20 will support. Currently trend is weak, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Indian markets. MCX gold resistance stands at 47,620 rupees. Support at 47,330. I will change these levels after 5 p.m. You can check 5 p.m. levels in community post. 5 p.m. USD INR will be closed, so levels will be more stable. Silver is trading 60,360 rupees. Silver resistance stands at 61,910, 60,910 rupees. Support at 59,600 rupees. You can check 5 p.m. levels in community post by clicking the join button. For paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is available in description. You can also tune for live stream in evening 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. We will be discussing today's non-farm payroll numbers, unemployment rate, and earning numbers in our streaming channel link in description. Make sure you subscribe the channel and click bell icon so you don't miss any update. I will see you in streaming. Till then, take care. Bye bye.